This is by far one of the easiest way to open a checking account. You'll do this online. You need not make a visit to any bank branch. In case you need a card that will be delivered to your home address, and just by depositing $1, you will get $25 to your account. Not just you, I will also be rewarded. This is a Wealthsimple app. You can use my referral link, and by using the referral link, when you fund any of the account, that is self-direct investing, crypto, or managed investing, or cash account, when you fund $1 into any of the account within 30 days from the time you click the link or enter the code, we both will get $25 credit. It's simple. You enter your email ID, password, and once you're done with this, you go ahead and do the sign up. I already have an account, so let me log in here. I've kept two-factor authentication to keep it secure. Now I have logged into Wealthsimple account, and here add an account. Click here. In today's video, we will see opening of checking account, which has interest rate of 1.75%, 1% cashback, and no monthly fee and no minimum balance. So that's the beauty about this checking account. You also can open TFSA, RESP, joint RESP, RRSP, and then USD savings, joint checking account. When it comes to investing, other than TFSA, non-registered account, joint non-registered account, FHSA, RESP, joint RESP. And then you also have crypto, where you get 2% trading fee, where you have 2% trading fee, stake and earn up to 7% a year, and which is insured and protected. When it comes to mortgage, they also have this low mortgage rate product, which you can check. Coming back to the checking account, to open, click here, and here you see high interest, no monthly fee, and then you see all that other details here. Click on open account, review the agreement here, and then confirm. Then you come to this review your agreement section, where you scroll down and then confirm. Here you can enter the nickname, or if you don't want, you can just skip like I do. Now you see here it shows checking account, and we have to fund this account first time to get that $25 what I showed at start. To add money, click here, and then from you will get a drop down. Since my account is already linked, it shows up here. In your case, for first time, you'll have to link your account by clicking here. Once you click on link a new account, here you will choose the bank, and once the bank is chosen, you will enter either your bank's user ID or card number, password, and then go ahead and link the bank account with one-time authentication. Once that is done, you will see the bank account link detail here like this, how you see here. You can request for a physical card in case you want to withdraw from ATM. If not, you can have virtual card to spend and earn reward. All you have to do is check the mailing address and then make a request card if you want a physical card. Once you transfer the amount will be seen here, and that's how you do the transfer by adding money.